Replacing the standard valve assembly. Step 1. Find the spare valve assembly in the kit. Step 2. Remove the red tower cover. Locate 1/16 inch Allen key, the smallest Allen key in the kit. Unscrew set screw in the back of the cover. Pull straight up on cover to remove. Step 3. Remove the valve assembly. Slide rinse and air tubing off of their needle by pushing tubing with a fingernail. Unscrew the valve nut. Pull valve out of the piston. Step 4. Insert new valve. Insert long sample tubing and rotate the valve so that it comes out of the hole in front of the piston. Once the sample tubing is coming out of the hole in the piston, slide in the shorter air and rinse lines. Again, rotate the valve so that they come out to the left of the bronze fittings above. Push valve into piston so the notch in the piston and the set screw in the valve are aligned. Screw on the valve nut. The nut should be tight enough that the valve cannot move relative to the piston. Push rinse and air lines onto their needles. Replace red tower cover. For more information, visit biocompinstruments.com.